Hello, my friends. We have a special event planned. Now, let me just tell you, we are so excited about this. It's going to be Sunday, February 11th. Now, I heard something that Ken was talking about, like some of his friends are getting together to watch some TV show or a game or something that day, but I'm not quite sure. But he said that starts at 3:30. So I said, okay, we will do our special event at 2 and be done by 3. So he can go to his friend's house and watch whatever they were going to go watch. Just saying. So Sunday, February 11th, 2 o'clock, special time, special event, 2 o'clock Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 5 p.m. Eastern. We're going to have a special event. We're going to have some fun things to share with you. You are going to fall in love. And let me just tell you, you definitely need to join us. We're going to have it's live. It's live. You get to watch us on YouTube or Facebook. And we're going to have some flash sales. We're going to have some contests. We're going to have some goodies. We're going to just have some fun. Now, we have to finish at 3 o'clock, so we finish so Ken can go to his friend's house and go watch whatever they're going to watch on TV. But before that, you and I are going to have some fun. Mark your calendars now, February 11th, Sunday at 2 o'clock. Okay? I'll see you there. 2 o'clock Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern. If you're in between there, figure it out. I don't know the math. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Special event. Bye-bye.